Methane extraction, an innovative solution to waste management in Lagos, Nigeria. The Olushosun landfill area is my point of reference in this presentation. My name is Hilary Anyele. What is waste? Waste is any unsuitable or unwanted material, anything that is not needed after its primary use. Waste could be in the form of municipal solid waste, it could be in the form of industrial waste or hazardous agricultural waste. If not properly maintained, can cause a threat to the life of human beings and the environment. For a developing country such as ours, and Lagos State in particular, we are faced with big challenges of in waste management because there are no proper technical capability, there are no government policies in place, and there are no administrative experts or documentation to show or to tell how waste should be managed and discarded. Nigeria, it's a country with 206 million people, and it generates 32 million tons of waste every year. So to say, Nigeria is the highest contributor of solid waste in the whole of Africa. This is the map of Lagos State, and this also tells us that from this map you could see some of the local government areas in Lagos State. Lagos State has 22 million individuals, all of who produce 1.2 kilogram of waste per day. And so to say, daily solid waste, municipal solid waste generated in Lagos State is in the tune of 14,000 metric tons daily. I have a satellite imagery of some of the dump sites in Lagos State. We have the Olushosun landfill area, we have the Solo-Utu, which is the Igodo landfill, and the Igodo landfill area. So to tell you that this map shows you how big the Olushosun landfill area is. It is the largest landfill area in the whole of Africa. This is an image I took of the landfill area. The Olushosun landfill area has a land capacity of 106 acres of land. It receives more than 50% of all the waste being generated in Lagos State. 500 trucks daily visit this landfill area to discard and deposit waste. And all the waste, 2.5 million metric tons of this waste, go untreated. The landfill area is also a menace to the underground water in that environment, and for the people who live and work around this Olushosun landfill area, it also poses a threat to their health, because during the decomposition of most especially organic or agricultural waste, methane gas is being emitted into the atmosphere. And if this methane gas is not harnessed and used most especially for renewable energy, it will keep going to the atmosphere and it will keep damaging not only the atmosphere but human lives as well. Methane is a gold mine, and that is the essence of this presentation, to make us understand that we could actually use it in Lagos State to generate heat and also make money, create a form of revenue for the economy. My next slide here shows the potentials of the Olushosun landfill area. So I want to move to the next slide to show us the health implication of not harnessing the methane gas as a renewable energy. I did visit the site and I had to interview 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 individuals. And what I got from the report is that most of the people living within and around that area are being faced with so many health challenges. And you just can't go to that environment. I wonder how people live in that environment, because the pungent smell emanating from that place is something it's unbearable. And that smell is the smell of methane when it's being emitted into the atmosphere. there's necessity. There is a great necessity that methane gas needs to be harnessed and used as a means of renewable energy. Major concerns of not using methane gas as a renewable energy. If it's not harnessed, definitely it will keep increasing and causing global warming. Yes, and the Olushosun landfill area has been doing this since 1992 when it was established as a landfill area. It has been contributing, it's a major contributor to global warming in this sphere. This is my proposition in this slide. It shows you that methane can be extracted and used as a waste to energy project. I want to make us understand here, according to what you and Hawk did mention, that it would be wise to, especially for the environment and for the residents and for people living within and around that area, that the methane gas needs to be harnessed and used as a source of renewable energy. It will generate 432 cubic feet of liquid landfill gas per day. So if the methane gas can be harnessed and used adequately, 0.78 megawatts of electricity can be generated from this amount of waste. The benefits of waste to energy, I have them listed here in this slide. One, it will reduce trucking from a distance. Yes, because the truck will not have to go daily to go and dispose or discard waste in the landfill area, because most of the waste in that area would be reused as a form of energy. It will also reduce greenhouse gas effect, and also reduce air pollution and create safety in the environment as well. Landfill gas energy project. I have it here as collect, process, and use. And if you look towards this area, I have listed the procedures which this project can be tailored towards. Financing. In this process here, we would require private companies to partner with the government and also with the bank as well to get the adequate funding for this project. Administration, those who have the capability and capacity in waste management will be drafted into this project, and engineers would also be drafted into this project to give proper designs that meet international standard for methane extraction. I have here a flow chart of the energy waste to energy project. From the landfill area, you have all your equipment on ground, and from that point, you have the equipment extracting the gas up to the point where this landfill gas could be harnessed for its right use, either for as cooking gas in our homes or as a form of electricity, especially for the people living around that area. And I just want us to understand that Nigeria has one of the lowest electricity output if not in the world. From one of our last statistics research, we did see that Nigeria produces less than 3,000 metric tons of 3,000 watts of electricity yearly. This is so small for the population that Nigeria has. So if waste to energy project can be adhered to, then the power output, the electricity output in Nigeria would increase. I have the benefits of this project here. One, it would definitely generate revenue for the government, it will create jobs, it would give us a better environment to live in, and the planet as well will also be good for it. This slide shows us the costing and the financing of this project. It's a gold mine. If properly tapped in and utilized, there is money to be made from this project. You could see this is part of the costing of this project. And in conclusion, I would love to say that it's important to treat and to convert our waste to a source of energy. China, Germany, and Sweden are some of the countries who are benefiting from extracting methane from their landfill area and converting such to renewable energy. It will be of a great benefit and great importance to Lagos State, to Nigeria, and to the world at large for us to harness methane gas and convert it to a source of renewable energy. With this, I've come to the end of this presentation. Thank you.